If you've been wondering how to work Prezi from start to finish, this video is going to make it simple. Prezi can feel a little different if you're used to normal slide presentations, but once you understand the structure, it becomes one of the easiest tools for creating dynamic, Zoom-style presentations. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics step by step, including how to start with a template, how to add content, how to organize your presentation path, and how to present it at the end. And if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. The fastest way to learn Prezi is to start with a template. Templates are a great shortcut because they already show you how Prezi organizes information in a visual, spatial way. So first, sign into your Prezi's dashboard. Once you're inside, click Create New, then choose Presentation. After that, browse through the template library and pick one that fits your topic. When you find the one you want, click Use this template. From there, give your presentation a title. If you're using the free tier, make sure you choose the sharing option that allows anyone on the web to view it. That way, your presentation is ready to be shared without running into access issues later. Now let's talk about the most important part of Prezi, which is understanding the canvas structure. Unlike PowerPoint, Prezi works more like a giant map. Instead of moving slide by slide in a straight line, you place ideas on one large canvas and the camera zooms in and out of different areas. At the highest level, you'll see the overview, which is the main home view of your entire presentation. This is where everything lives together in one visual space. Your main chapters are called the topics, and they usually appear as large bubbles on the canvas. You can think of them like the major sections of your presentation. Inside those topics are subtopics, which are smaller bubbles that open up when you zoom in closer. On the left side, you'll also see the presentation path. This works like a timeline and shows the exact order in which your audience will move through the content. Understanding this layout is the key to making Prezi feel easy instead of confusing. Once you understand the structure, it's time to add and edit content. Prezi makes this pretty flexible. If you see placeholder text already on the template, just click it and start typing. If you want to create a new text area, double-click anywhere on the canvas and add your own text box. This is great for headings, bullet points, labels, or short supporting text. You can also add media by clicking Insert at the top menu. From there, you can bring in images, shapes, YouTube videos, and icons. Adding media is especially useful if you want your presentation to feel more visual and engaging. If you need another section, click the plus topic button in the top left corner. That creates a new bubble on your canvas and gives you a new chapter to build from. Next, let's organize the presentation path. This part matters a lot because it controls how your audience experiences the presentation. Even if your design looks amazing, the path is what determines the flow. On the left sidebar, you can drag and drop the thumbnails to rearrange the order of your topics. This is where you can make your presentation feel more logical, more polished, and easier to follow. If you want motion effects inside a section, you can also click Animation under the Insert menu. That lets you fade text or images in and out within a specific topic, which adds extra visual emphasis and helps keep attention on key points. After your content is in place and your path is organized, it's time to present and share. Before sending it to anyone, always test it first. Click Present in the top right corner to preview the full experience. This lets you see exactly how the zooming motion feels and whether the order makes sense. While presenting, you can use the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard to move through the sequence. That makes it easy to rehearse before a live presentation or check for mistakes before sharing the link. And that's the basic workflow for how to work Prezi. Start with a template, understand the canvas, add your content, arrange the path, and then preview your presentation before sharing it. Once you get used to the zooming style, Prezi becomes a really powerful way to present ideas in a more engaging and memorable format. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.